Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back. In this video, we continue our discussion on Agile Manufacturing and focus on the practical tools, digital systems, and rollout strategies that help factories handle short-run variants without hurting cost or quality. 2026 pressure points: EV and hybrid mix, software features, and supply chain volatility. Planning gets harder when key parts don't arrive on time. Battery availability can swing with raw material constraints and shipping delays. Semiconductor supply still cycles, and a missed module can block a whole trim. Software adds another twist. More features are controlled by configuration, not just hardware. Two cars may look identical on the line, but one needs a different regional compliance setting, a fleet policy, or a paid feature unlock. That increases the number of buildable end items and the number of checks needed at end of line, even if the physical parts list barely changes. Agile manufacturing practices that make short-run variants profitable. Agile manufacturing for short-run variants for Japanese cars in 2026 comes down to one goal. Keep the line moving while the mix changes. That requires fewer minutes lost to switching, fewer wrong parts installed, and faster feedback when something drifts. A practical way to think about it is 3 layers. Flexible operations on the shop floor, switch fast and build mixed. Controlled material flow, right parts, right order, right station. Digital traceability, know what each car is in real time. Fast changeovers and flexible lines, SMED, quick tooling, and modular workstations. SMED, single minute exchange of die, is just a fancy name for reducing changeover time by moving work offline and standardizing what remains. The best teams treat changeovers like a pit stop. Tools are staged, steps are clear, and checks are quick. What works well in mixed model auto lines? Modular fixtures that pin into place with quick locks. Universal torque tools with preset programs per variant. Barcode-guided setup checks, so the line confirms the right jig, fastener, and program fast. Track one metric that tells the truth. Minutes per changeover. Pair it with a quality metric like first pass yield in the first 30 units after a change. If changeovers get faster but early defects rise, the process isn't stable yet. Build to sequence with smart kitting, reducing parts confusion on mixed model lines. Build to sequence means the plant builds vehicles in the order customers or regions need, rather than building big batches to stock and sorting it out later. When the schedule mixes trims and options, materials have to follow that same order. That's where kitting earns its keep. Instead of giving a station a bin of similar parts, logistics creates a kit per vehicle or per small group, then delivers it in sequence. Add pick to light prompts and scan verification, and wrong part installs drop sharply. Simple error proofing, POCA yoke meaning mistake-proof, helps without adding complexity. A connector that only fits one way, a sensor bracket with keyed holes, or a scanner that blocks a step until the right label is read can save hours of rework. This matters most when right hand and left hand parts look similar. Trim differences change wiring, switches, or displays. Electronics content changes by market, not by model name. Agile manufacturing is no longer optional for Japanese car makers in 2026. With the right processes, technology, and teamwork, factories can turn variety into an advantage. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.